Hello all, a new bright guru. Yes, Pragnesh Desai, and today I'm going to teach you theorems of the chapter circles. ठीक है, मैं लेके आया हूं आप लोग के लिए theorems of the chapter circle, and we don't have to learn the proofs. We have to only learn the concept of the theorems. So मैं आप लोग को सिखाऊंगा the statement of the theorems, how to remember them, and what does the theorem says. ठीक है, so let us begin with the first theorem on the first click. This theorem, let us have a look what does this theorem says. Angle subtended by an arc at the circumference is half of the angle subtended by the same arc at the center of the circle. Many people have confusion in this theorem, so now let us have a look ये theorem बोलता क्या है. ठीक है, चलो इसके लिए I have a very good रील्स है ना. आई हैव अ रील, आप ये रील याद रखो तो ये थ्योरम याद हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज दैट लाइन? लेट अस हैव अ लुक. सबसे पहले तो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ सर्कल. लेट मी ड्रॉ सर्कल. सफिशिएंट इनफ? यस, सर्कल है तो इट शुड हैव अ सेंटर. लेट्स से दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. चलो, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क. So we have to first make an arc. Arc A to B. This is a small arc AB. So angle subtended by the arc at the circumference. So this is the remaining circumference. So let us draw an angle. This is the angle subtended by the arc at the circumference. Okay, इसका वैल्यू, किसका वैल्यू? जो एंगल अभी हम लोग ने बनाया. Okay, this angle, the value is half of the angle subtended by the same arc. The arc is same, but the angle is subtended at center. So now we have to draw the angle at center. So as you can see, the theorem says that angle subtended by an arc is AB, at the circumference के एंगल को हम लोग x बोल देंगे, x डिग्री. Angle subtended by the arc at the circumference is half of the angle subtended by the same arc at the center. Center वाला angle will be 2x. So 2x का half is x. So this theorem can be used in two ways. Angle at the circumference is half of angle at the center. Vice versa, angle subtended by the arc at the center is twice of angle subtended by the same arc in the remaining circumference. So this was the theorem and it is very easy. Center वाला angle हमेशा रहेगा double of circumference का. Also you can say the circumference का angle is going to be half of center. But make sure the point should be same. So let us say that reel. ठीक है, कहां से तू आई बेबी, कहां को तू जाएगी. From where have you come and where are you going? I have come from A and going to B. A से लाइन आई, C पॉइंट पे टच करके B पे गई. A से फिर से लाइन आई, सेंटर को O को टच करके B पे गई. So the starting point and ending point should be same. Then only it is called as same arc. है ना, here it is said that same arc. So the theorem goes as angle subtended by the arc in the circumference is equal to angle subtended by the same arc at the center of the circle. This theorem, let us have a look at this theorem. What does it say? Theorem says that angles subtended by the same arc are equal. Same arc के एंगल सेम होते हैं या इक्वल होते हैं. What does it mean? तो let us see what does the theorem says. To know the theorem, first we'll construct a circle. we have a circle. Now in the statement it is mentioned about something called arc. So let us draw the arc, or we are going to mark the arc. Point A, point B. So we have arc AB. Now angle made by this arc in the remaining circumference we are going to find. So angle AXB is the angle made by arc AB. A से आया, B पे गया, X को टच किया सिर्फ. Now we are going to make one more angle from the same arc. So here is what the theorem says: angle subtended by the same arc. You have to focus on the word same arc. Angle subtended by the same arc are equal. तो same arc, कौन सा arc था वो? AB, है ना? So you can see over here the line started from A and ended at B every time. The first time A से गया, B पे खत्म हुआ. Second time also it started from A, went to Y and came back to B. So the theorem says that angle in the same arc are equal. So both these angles are equal. So the theorem says that angle AXB will be equal to angle AYB. Let us have a look at this theorem. What does the theorem says? Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. With this right angle, we are always right. Be right. Yes, I am your Be Right Guru, and also we have many Be Right Gurus of the subjects called maths, physics, chemistry, biology and all. Yes, so keep on looking at these videos. Be right. Here you will always get the right content, and we have made lectures for all the content which you have in your upcoming exam. So keep watching these videos. So let us have a look at this theorem. What does this theorem says? Theorem कहता है angle in the semicircle is right angle. तो let us see what is semicircle. Semicircle मतलब आधा सर्कल. हम तो पूरा सर्कल बनाएंगे पापा, बाद में थियरम में आधा सर्कल ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट हो जाएगा. लेट अस हैव अ लुक, है ना? तो सर्कल तो हम लोग पूरा बनाएंगे, बट द थियरम सेज सेमी सर्कल. सो लेट अस फाइंड द डायामीटर. तो फाइंडिंग डायामीटर इज नथिंग बट ड्रॉइंग अ डायामीटर विच पासेस थ्रू सेंटर. So let's say this point is center and we have to draw a diameter. So a line which passes through the center of the circle is called as diameter, and diameter divides the circle in two parts. So ऊपर का भी semicircle है and bottom part is also a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. मतलब अभी हम लोग को एक एंगल ड्रॉ करना है semicircle के अंदर. So we have to start it from point. We are going to label the points. Diameter is point AB, and we are going to draw an angle. You can draw the angle at anywhere, at point here, or you can finish it up here. You can end it up here, anywhere where you feel comfortable. But from the same point, you have to connect it to point B. This is the angle made in semicircle. We label this point as C, and the theorem is अगर सेमीसर्कल में कोई एंगल बन रहा है तो वो हमेशा 90 डिग्री ही होगा. The angle is always going to be right angle. So we can draw the right angle symbol and we'll mention theorem says that angle ACB is equals to 90 degree. This is what the theorem says. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Theorem, let us have a look. What does the theorem says? opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. सप्लीमेंट्स जो जिम में पीते हैं वो नहीं, मैथ्स में सप्लीमेंट्री इज 180 डिग्री एंड व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री 90 डिग्री. सो थ्योरम कहता है अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर सप्लीमेंट्री. बट यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. लेट अस हैव अ लुक व्हाट इज साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज. फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. सर्कल तो ड्रॉ कर दिया है. नाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. You are aware about quadrilateral. Sir, four-sided figure is called as quadrilateral. A quadrilateral which is inside the circle. Inside the circle in the sense the corners, है ना, corners को हम लोग कहते हैं vertex. The vertex of the quadrilateral should lie on the circumference. So let us draw a cyclic quadrilateral. So here we have a cyclic quadrilateral. We are going to label the quadrilateral as A, B, C and D. Diagram is almost ready. The conclusion is left out. So what is the conclusion? Opposite angle. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. You are very well aware which are the opposite angles. अगर एंगल D पूछूं तो D का अपोजिट एंगल कौन होगा? सामने वाला B. सो वी आर गोइंग टू से एंगल D का अपोजिट एंगल इज B. सो अपोजिट एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. इसका मीनिंग है एंगल B प्लस एंगल D will make 180 degree. This is what called opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilaterals are 180. You might be thinking, sir, what happened to A and C? Even they are supplementary. So we can also say angle A plus angle C will be 180. Short and sweet theorem. What does the theorem say? Opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This theorem, let us have a look what the theorem is going to explain us. Theorem कहता है equal chords are equidistant. Equal chords of equal circle subtend equal angle at the center of the circle. अगर chord equal है तो एंगल इक्वल है. पर सर कौन सा एंगल? एंगल जो सेंटर पे क्रिएट होने वाला है. तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. तो ये थ्योरम को समझने के लिए वी हैव टू फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट अ सर्कल. ऑलराइट, सो वी हैव अ सर्कल ओवर हियर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ टू इक्वल कॉर्ड्स. So the first chord is over here. We label the chord A, B. But equal chords बोला है, यानी two chords, more than one. So we have to find one more. We have to draw one more chord. Let's say another chord is over here, and we are going to label this chord as C, B. Given information is both the chords are equal. If the chords are equal, they subtend equal angle at the center. So let us draw center of the circle. Always we label the center of the circle as point O. So we are connecting OA and OB. This is the angle which chord AB makes at the center, and this is the angle which chord CD makes at the center. And theorem says if the chords are equal, then the angle at the center is also equal, which means angle AOB equal to angle COD chord. So theorem कहता है if AB is equals to CD, then angle AOB is equals to angle COB. This is what the theorem says. The theorem, let us have a look. What does it explains us? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So the word contact is important over here. मतलब हमें एक रेडियस चाहिए और एक टेंजेंट. What is tangent? A tangent is nothing but line which touches the circle. तो हम सबसे पहले एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? So here we have a circle. Now let us draw tangent. Alright, so tangent है, so we put the arrow. थ्योरम में टेंजेंट तो मैंने ड्रॉ कर दिया है. नाउ लेट अस ड्रॉ रेडियस. बट रेडियस कहीं भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. रेडियस ओनली एट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. सो दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. तो क्या मैं यहाँ पे रेडियस बनाऊं? क्या बना सकते हैं, बट थ्योरम नहीं बोल रहा है. यहाँ पे बना देंगे रेडियस? नो. कैन वी ड्रॉ द रेडियस ओवर हियर? नो. रेडियस एट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ द टेंजेंट. सो हम लोग रेडियस को नाम दे देंगे OA and the tangent is PQ. So the theorem says that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So radius and tangent are always perpendicular to each other. It means they make 90 degree. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. This theorem, let us have a look. What does this theorem says? Theorem कहता है tangents मतलब more than one, drawn from the same point to the circle, same circle ना, अलग अलग circle नहीं, are equal. Theorem तो पढ़ लिया. Now let us understand what is it and how we are going to apply it in the sums. First of all, we are going to draw a circle. The circle is ready. Two tangents. We know that two tangents can be drawn from a point outside the circle. So let us draw the tangent first. So this is the first tangent, okay? And here goes the second tangent. We have drawn two tangents from a point, that is same point, point P, and it is touching the first point at A and touching the second point on the circle at point B. So the theorem says tangents drawn from the same point to the same circle are equal. What are equal? What is equal? Tangents are equal. It means PA will be equal to PB. This is what the theorem says. That is tangent PA will be equal to tangent PB. Tangents drawn from the same point to the same circle are equal. Yes, hello all. Let us have a look at this theorem. Theorem कहता क्या है and what is the conclusion? Theorem says angle in alternate segment statement. Now statement means when you solve the sums, आप statement में क्या लिखोगे? It is not feasible कि आप ये पूरा का पूरा theorem लिखोगे. So ये theorem का नाम दिया है angles in the alternate segment. ये है statement. What is the conclusion? Let us have a look. Angle made by a chord and tangent. एक chord, एक tangent, or angle made by that chord and tangent is equal to angle made by the same chord in alternate segment. Theorem we have read, but what is the application? This is very important theorem children, and ये theorem many a times आपको click नहीं होता है while solving sums. So in order to मेक श्योर कि ये थियरम आप सम्स में इजीली फाइंड कर सको, लेट अस हैव अ लुक. सबसे पहले वील बी ड्रॉइंग अ सर्कल. We are going to draw a tangent as well. Labeling center O, point A, point of contact P, and O here we will label as at point B. APB is a tangent to a circle at the point of contact P, and we'll be drawing a chord from point P. You can draw chord anywhere. You can draw the chord like this way. You can draw this way. आप ऐसे भी draw कर सकते हो. However you feel, you can draw, है ना, anywhere. Let's say we are drawing it over here. So we are going to label that point as Q. So in the diagram, it is easy to identify who is chord and what is tangent. आप मेरे को tangent का नाम बताइए. Yes, APB is a tangent and chord PQ. Now we'll start with the theorem. Angle made by tangent and a chord. So let's say I am selecting the angle over here. This is the angle. थोड़ा back करेंगे उसको हम लोग. This is the angle. This is the angle made by tangent and the chord. It's equal to angle made by the same chord in the alternate segment. Now what is this segment? Let me explain what is segment. Segment के लिए I am going to draw one more circle over here to explain what does the segment says. ये हो गया हमारा circle and here goes the chord. Okay, so the portion which I am right now filling up is called as minor segment. The portion which you can see shaded, this is a segment. Chord divides the circle in two parts. एक है minor segment और एक है major segment. So this is also a segment, and the portion which I am filling right now is also the segment. This one is major segment, where I am drawing the zigzag line. Okay, so you can see over here the yellow portion represents minor segment and the zigzag line represents the major segment. उसे कहते हैं segment. So if you are in the minor segment, your alternate segment becomes opposite to you. Major becomes the alternate. और अगर आप लोग major में हो तो आपका alternate हो जाएगा minor. Coming back to our theorem, chord ने angle minor segment के साथ बनाया. This is where the minor segment is, the one which I am shading right now. हाँ, तो which is the alternate segment? This becomes the alternate segment. See the portion which I am circling right now. है ना, ये पूरा space जो है, this is called as alternate segment. So from the same point, we are going to draw an angle in the alternate segment. Diagram is ready. Now let us recall the theorem once again. Angle made by tangent and the chord, that is this theta, this theta, angle made by the tangent and chord is equal to angle made by the same chord in the alternate segment. ये chord ने कौन सा एंगल बनाया? पॉइंट P से Q से this point R, that is theta. I hope everyone has understood this theorem. It's very very important and it's essential because this type of questions are asked in your board exams जिसमें ये theorem आता है ना? Yes, sums में आपको ये theorem use करना पड़ता है and many a times students fail to identify कौन सा chord है and कौन सा theorem है and कौन सा tangent है. So let us recall it once again. Angle made by the tangent and chord is equal to angle made by the same chord in alternate segment. ये पूरा theorem का statement आपको लिखना है, angle in alternate segment. So children, bye. We will be meeting in the next lecture. This was all about the theorems of the chapter circle, है ना? Be watching the videos of Bright and all the other gurus as well. See you all children in the next session.